We talk about how to upload video during the practical session yesterday. Now, when uploading your video, there are some things you must observe. I'm still going to give us some screenshots. I'm going to screenshot some of these things and drop on the group so that those of you that find it difficult yesterday, you'll be able to complete the process of how to upload video. So what you do is this: after creating the video, when your video is available, all you need to do is to follow the process I'm going to display for you. So when you follow the process, you will see where you will click upload, which is the plus sign. After the plus sign, you will see where the video is uploading to. So after the video, as the video is uploading, what you need to do is to enter your title. You enter the title of that video, which we are going to, I told you that we'll be taking those titles from ChatGPT, which I believe we have already done. So you go to ChatGPT, get a good title and drop it there. After that, you go to ChatGPT, get a good description and drop it there. Then also you go and get a good thumbnail from ChatGPT and drop it there. Get another good tag and also drop it there. Then get a very good hashtag also and drop it. So by the time you are done entering all these things, applying your thumbnail, then you can post your video. This is just the simple step by step you need to follow to make sure you get the process right. So I'm still going to give us more breakdown of it today. So I want every one of us to pay good attention to this wonderful practical session. If you find it difficult yesterday, today try your best and understand the process. I'm going to demonstrate it alongside with pictures of a screenshot of what I will be applying for you. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you in the practical session. So everyone should follow this video. The picture format, the way I place it, is the step by step on how you can upload your videos. So make sure you understand it following the arrow direction that I place for each of the picture format, and try your best to upload. Okay, anyway, no problem, we'll still talk more about that. I just want us to study this and know how this thing work. That's just all for now. Thank you. God bless you all. I don't know if there is any question. Please, you can ask. So just ask any question you need to ask. It's very important. God bless you. I believe we have gone through the video, and I'm expecting everyone to start their practical right away. And as you are carrying out your practical, make sure you are doing the right thing by writing out all the steps on your exercise book. After that, then you carry your phone, be looking at the exercise book and be demonstrating your practical.